I'll show you guys what we call online epic paint fail. And I'm going to explain to you why I had the paint fail. And it wasn't the paint, it was the operator error. Just do it yourself, guy. I'm painting my Mustang. I got a bay. It was this kind of, it was dirty. It used to be a pallet shop, you know, kind of dusty and this and that, but you know, I have a hose in here. I sprayed water down. I made sure everything was clean as I could get. It wasn't really bad, you know, it was inside, it's closed. But if you see, I sprayed my black on my car, and I don't know if you can see it, but those little spots you see, I thought was dust. I thought I could buff the dust out, but come to find out, it's not dust. It was me not cleaning my paint gun properly. Now, I'm painting with an HVLP gun. I just got done cleaning my gun. I was soaking it in mineral spirits like I seen online. I was soaking it in mineral spirits and see how it is. Well, if you see these pieces, like this little piece here, this little stuff, I don't know, can you see it? This piece here was in my gun when I just took it apart and cleaned it. And that was basically the primer that I was using. I didn't clean it out, I just soaked it. And of course I hit it with a brush and stuff like that. I sprayed it out when I was done, but it stayed in my gun. And that's what happened. But luckily, I found out what it was. I thought it was the dust from in here. I was upset, but now that I found out it's just me and I know what it was, I'm not upset. But if you don't want to have to do this to your car after you painted it, I would suggest that you guys clean your guns out good. I mean, you can just look at these pieces, and some of them are sharp and everything. And, you know, I don't want this to happen to anybody else. Like I say, I used to paint a little bit, but this was back 20 years ago. I used to spray small stuff for a company, and I know how to paint. There's no runs. There's no, you know, orange peeling. There's nothing in there. It's just all pieces of, like this piece here. That is a sharp piece when you touch it to your finger. So, just to let you guys know, clean your guns out, man. Don't go through what I went through. I was so mad, but when I found out what it was, I was happy. So, I hope that you guys learned something from this video, and keep doing it yourself, guys.